हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसमें, एन एडिबल रेड एल्गी इज, दैट इज पोरफायरा। सेकंड, एल्गी यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस ऑक्सीजन इन स्पेसक्राफ्ट्स, दैट इज क्लोरेला। थर्ड, लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट इज, दैट इज ट्रैक्योफाइट्स। फोर्थ इंस्ट्रूमेंट मेजर्स प्लांट ग्रोथ, दैट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय जेसी बॉस, और इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम था क्रिस्कोग्राफ। प्लांट हैज स्मॉलेस्ट फ्लावर, दैट इज वॉल्फिया। वाटरफ्लाई ट्रैप प्लांट, दैट इज एल्ड्रोवेंडा। लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गेनेली ऑफ प्लांट सेल इज वैक्यूल। स्मॉलेस्ट डाइकॉट प्लांट इज आर्क्यूथोबियम। Central element of chlorophyll is magnesium. Smallest bone of human is taps, found in middle ear. Largest bone of human beings, that is femur. Number of cells in human brain is around 28 billion. Number of muscles in human body is 639. Germ theory of disease was given by Louis Pasteur. Uric acid accumulated in joints, that is known as gout. Tobacco contains nicotine in it. Genes causing cancer are called oncogenes. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax. AIDS first reported in USA in 1981. Number of minerals in human body is 24. Thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere is measured in Dobson unit, और उसमें जो होल होता है उसे हम कहते हैं ओजोन होल। मूवमेंट ऑफ सेल अगेंस्ट concentration gradient, that is known as active transport, which requires energy. Movement of cell along concentration gradient, that is known as passive transport. Pyrrhia is disease of gums. Oxygen released in photosynthesis comes from water. Union of fetal and uterine tissues, that makes placenta, which releases HCG hormones. Plant hormone which induces cell division, that is cytokinin. Prothrombin released by platelets. Red, blue and purple color of plants is because of anthocyanin pigment. Dark color of skin is because of melanin. Amount of hemoglobin in 100 gram of blood, that is around 14 gram. Monotremes are unique mammals because they lay eggs, और example इसके spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus. Poison gland of snakes are homologous to salivary glands. Movement of plant towards sun, that is phototropism. Outer covering of virus made up of protein, that is known as capsid. Most common poultry disease, that is ranikhet. Most abundant tissue of body is muscular tissue. Amount of blood taken during blood transfusion, that is around 300 ml. Blood vessel which carry pure blood, simply oxygenated blood, वो होती हैं arteries except pulmonary artery. Blood vessel carrying impure blood, यानी कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैरी करती हैं जो, उन्हें हम कहते हैं वेन्स, एक्सेप्ट पल्मोनरी वेन. लार्जेस्ट मसल इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, दैट इज ग्लूटस मैक्सिमस. लॉन्गेस्ट सेल इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, दैट इज नर्व सेल. स्मॉलेस्ट मसल इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, दैट इज स्टेपिडियस. वायरस कॉजिंग स्वाइन फ्लू, दैट इज H1N1 वायरस. लिविंग फॉसिल्स इज पेरिपेटस. First synthetically made medicine, that is aspirin. Largest human cell, that is ovum. Biopsy test is diagnosis of cancer. Loss of vision in dim light, that is known as night blindness, which occur because of deficiency of vitamin A. Change in gene is called mutation. Deficiency of thyroxine in children leads to cretinism. Only snake which builds nest, that is king cobra. Virus which attack bacteria, they are known as bacteriophage. Smallest cell in human is sperm. birds originated during Jurassic period. birds replace their feathers periodically, उस process को कहते हैं molting. heaviest living flying bird, that is African bustard. largest bird in the world, that is ostrich. largest living flying bird, that is Andean condor. largest seabird, that is albatross. longest migration by a bird, that is Arctic tern. smallest bird in world, that is hummingbird. bird can fly forward and backward, that is also hummingbird. bird with largest wingspan, that is albatross. only mammal which can fly, that is bat. chief food of butterfly larva, that is leaves of plants. chief food of housefly, that is decaying organic matter. chief food of male mosquito, that is nectar and fruit juice. and chief food of mosquito larva, that is microorganisms present in water. chief chemical laboratory of human body, that is liver. organ jack of all traders, that is skin. high calorific value is of fat, which is 9 calorie. beriberi disease affects nervous system. pneumonia affects respiratory system. rabies affect nervous system. rickets affect bone tissue. railway sleepers made from Sidrus deodora. blood bank of body, that is spleen. swelling of thyroid gland, that is known as goiter. typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. sterilization of man is called vasectomy. sterilization of female is called tubectomy. resist to attack of disease, that is known as immunity of body. number of senses in human being is 5. meningitis is caused by Neisseria meningitis. tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. blood cancer is called leukemia. lack of skin pigmentation is called albinism. short sightedness is called myopia. long sightedness is known as hypermetropia. inflammation of thin membrane of eye is called conjunctivitis. main artery of body is aorta, it is also largest artery. muscles of heart are cardiac muscles. breaking of bone is called fracture. weakening of muscles is called muscular dystrophy. BCG की फुल फॉर्म है Bacillus calmette-guerin. BCG दिया जाता है ट्यूबरक्लोसिस के अगेंस्ट. वैक्सीन अगेंस्ट पोलियो इज poliomycetes vaccine. Vaccine is liquid containing dead pathogens. Dengue is known as break-bone fever. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera bacteria. Tetanus is known as lockjaw disease. Sex determination test of fetus is called amniocentesis. Outer layer of skin is epidermis. Inner layer of skin is dermis. LSD एक ड्रग है जिसकी फुल फॉर्म है lysergic acid diethylamide. Drug which causes unconsciousness, that is known as anesthesia. Drug which neutralize ulcer, stomach acidity, that is called antacids. Full form of NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance. Hardest part of body enamel present होता है teeth के टिप पे. Universal donor O positive, universal recipient AB positive. Blood clot within blood vessel is because of थ्रोम्बिन और उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं थ्रोम्बोसिस. एक्जिमा इज ए डिसीज ऑफ स्किन. हे फीवर एक तरह की एलर्जी है. ईसीजी की फुल फॉर्म ईईजी की फुल फॉर्म इलेक्ट्रोएंसिफेलोग्राफी. ईसीजी की फुल फॉर्म होती है इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफी. ईएमजी की फुल फॉर्म इलेक्ट्रोमायोग्राफी जो रिकॉर्ड करता है मसल की कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को. एक्सरे विजुअलाइजेशन ऑफ जॉइंट्स, दैट इज नोन एज आर्थ्रोग्राफी. कैरेट, रेडिश, बीट, रूट, ये सभी क्या हैं? रूट्स हैं. Unit measuring distance between heavenly bodies, that is known as light year. Gas used for disinfecting water, that is chlorine. Snake does not have hearing capability. Tallest tree is redwood tree, जिसका नाम है सिकोया. Presence of starch in leaf shown by iodine. Galvanization of iron is done with zinc. 3 important micronutrients for human beings: copper, zinc, iodine. Anti-knocking agent in car is tetraethyl lead. Element used in nuclear reactor, that is zirconium. First classification of element was done by Mendeleev. Mercurous chloride is plaster of Paris. Scattering of light by colloidal particle, that is known as Tyndall effect. CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, used in fire extinguisher. Acid present in vinegar is acetic acid. King of acid is sulfuric acid. Acid known as oil of vitriol, that is sulfuric acid. Acid present in ants, that is formic acid. Acid used for washing eyes, boric acid. Anode rays were discovered by Goldstein. Cathode rays were discovered by Julius Plücker. First calculated atomic number, that was done by Moseley. Preservative used in biological specimen, that is formalin. Natural rubber discovered by Christopher Columbus. pH वैल्यू बेकिंग सोडा की 8.5, कार बैटरी एसिड की 1, कास्टिक सोडा की 14, ह्यूमन ब्लड की 7.4, HCl की 2, लेमन जूस की 2.4, मिल्क की 6.6, प्योर वाटर की 7, रेन वाटर की 5.6, सी वाटर की 7.8, विनेगर की 4, फ्रूट शुगर इज फ्रुक्टोज, brown coal is lignite, bulletproof glass made up of pyrex glass. Insect respire through trachea, regulatory center for swallowing and vomiting, that is medulla oblongata, present in brain. Vitamin used for healing of wounds, that is vitamin C. Disease caused by bite of mad dog, that is hydrophobia. Vitamin destroyed during cooking, that is vitamin C. एंटी-मलेरियल ड्रग क्विनीन, जो मिलता है हमें सिंकोना प्लांट से. फूड रैप्ड इन न्यूज़पेपर contaminated by lead. Power of lens is measured by diopter. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that is situated in Trombay. Moderator in nuclear reactor, that is graphite. Unit of radioactivity is becquerel. When milk churned, cream is separated by centrifugal force. We can't see during fog because of scattering of light. Instrument measure earthquake, that is known as seismograph. Only liquid metal, mercury. Solar cells are made from silicon, germanium. Falling drop of water has spherical shape because of surface tension. Atom bomb is based on nuclear fission. Indian scientist which received Nobel Prize, that is C.V. Raman. Raman effect involves scattering of light. Principle for ball pen, that is capillarity and surface tension. Filament of electric bulb is made up of tungsten. Principle of dynamo, that was given by Michael Faraday. Depth of sea is measured by photometer. Stranger gas is xenon. Artificial silk, that is rayon. Chemical used as fixer in photography, that is sodium thiosulfate. Softest gas, that is sodium. Potassium nitrate plus charcoal plus sulfur, it makes gunpowder. Heaviest metal, that is mercury. Atomic theory was given by John Dalton. Concept of electrolysis in water, Arrhenius. Artificial rain produced by silver iodide. Concept of elliptical orbital, that was given by Sommerfeld. First man to reach South Pole, Amundsen. Dominant gas in sun, hydrogen. Brightest planet, evening star, that is Venus. Sun is bigger than Earth, that is 109 times. Earth covered with water around 80%. Theory of relativity was given by Albert Einstein. instrument to measure altitude, that is altimeter. Altimeter. Study of bird's egg, that is oology. Radioactivity discovered by Henry Becquerel. Metal used in storage battery, that is lead. Relative humidity measured by hygrometer. Barometer discovered by Torricelli. Radium discovered by Marie Curie. Existence of isotope, that was Frederick Soddy. Nuclear reactor Enrico Fermi. Microscope discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Emitter used to measure electric current. Fruit formed without fertilization, they are called parthenocarpic fruit. Law of gravitation given by Isaac Newton. Law of floating, Archimedes. Fountain pen was discovered by Waterman. First atomic power station in India, that was situated in Tarapur. To measure concentration of salt water, salinometer. Vulcanized rubber, that was discovered by Goodyear. ECG discovered by Einthoven. Response of plant to touch, that is called thigmotropism. Biggest plant seed is Kokedamar. Indian first satellite was Aryabhat. 1975 ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Father of Indian space program Vikram Sarabhai. First mobile phone conversation was between Jyoti Basu and Sukhram. ISRO headquarters is at Bangalore. India's first supercomputer, that is Param. Architect of Param series Vijay P. Bhatkar. Writing system for blind people, that was discovered by Louis Barley at the age of 15 years. India's first test tube baby created by Subhas Mukhopadhyay. Llama found only in South America. 1 light year is equal to 9.4 trillion kilometer. Dinosaur simply means terrible lizard. Origin of Species was written by Darwin in 1859. Planetary theory of law of motion was given by Kepler. First spacecraft launched on moon, that was Luna 9. Rings of Saturn discovered by Galileo. Largest heaviest snake is anaconda and उसका वजन है around 200 kilogram. Bamboo belong to grass family. Spider spin thread from their abdomen, secretion of their abdomen. Radar, that is radio detecting and ranging. Fastest moving land snake, that is black mamba. Forging, shaping metal by hammering. Castration, destruction of testis. Mulching, removal of horns. Lifespan of RBC 120 days. Lifespan of WBC 1 week. Battery was discovered by Alessandro Volta. Marsupial simply means animal carrying young ones in pouch. Simply means kangaroo. Giant panda feeds on bamboo shoot and leaves. Richter scale measure करता है earthquake. Largest eyes in world, that is of giant squid. Horticulture is growing fruit, vegetable, flowers and ornamental plants. Catfish carries its egg in mouth. Tanning is converting raw animal skin into leather. Nephron in one kidney is around 1 million. Modern concept of element is given by Lavoisier. Total number of lobes in human liver is 4. Anemia is reduction in number of RBC. Nuclear fission invented by Otto Hahn. Wave theory of light by Huygens. Amount of radiations emitted from radioactive substance, that was discovered by Geiger. Distance covered by Geiger-Castor. Distance covered by wheeled vehicles, that is measured by odometer. Recording of rainfall, rain gauge. Measuring of blood pressure is with the help of sphygmomanometer. Measuring of speed of aeroplane by tachometer. Measuring velocity of wind by anemometer. Instrument for improving hearing, that is audiophone. Instrument used for cutting into thin parts for microscopic inspection, that instrument is called microtome. Instrument indicating speed at which vehicle is moving, that is called speedometer. Instrument for hearing movement of heart and lungs, stethoscope. Mechanical energy is converted into electric energy with the help of generator. Heat energy is converted into mechanical energy with the help of heat engine. Electric energy is converted into mechanical energy with the help of electric motor. Electric energy is converted into sound energy with the help of loudspeaker. Sound energy is converted into electrical energy with the help of microphone. Chemical energy is converted into electric energy with the help of battery. Instrument for viewing sun, that is telescope. Movement of lungs can be observed by spirograph. Earth when present between sun and moon, उसे हम कहते हैं lunar eclipse. Moon present between sun and earth, that is called solar eclipse. First man walked on moon, that was Neil Armstrong. Nobel Prize is awarded in 6 fields. Brightest star in our solar system is Sirius. Nearest star to earth is Proxima Centauri. Visible part of sun is ionosphere. Unit of frequency is hertz. Unit of resistance is ohm. Path of electric current is called circuit. Unit of wavelength of light is called angstrom. Height of wave is called amplitude. Tube behind TV and computers, that is known as cathode ray tube. Largest gulf is the Gulf of Mexico. City of skyscrapers is New York. Alexander the Great was born in Macedonia, died at Babylon, Asia में, buried at Alexandria, Egypt में. First Indian to go into space, Rakesh Sharma. Father of Indian nuclear science, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Independence Day of South Korea, that is also 15th of August. Architect of Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi, that is Edwin Lutyens. Atom bomb constructed by Oppenheimer, and first country to use stamps, that is England. Okay, thanks a lot.